How to make a 10-minute TikTok video in 2022. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a 10-minute TikTok video. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you are going to download the TikTok application in your mobile phone devices. After downloading the TikTok application, you are going to open it. You're going to go into the profile option beneath where you can find an inbox option just beside it. So when you're going to tap on the inbox option in the above part of the screen, you're going to find from TikTok. So you have to choose those. In this bar, you're going to receive a notification that it has extended the time for your video. So what you're going to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After doing so, now you can upload it from your gallery, or it's up to your choice, or if you can upload or create a new video. Till now, I have an option of 3-minute video, but if you will receive that notification from TikTok saying that you can now make 10-minute video, so you can do that. But now I can do 3 minutes. So this is how I can change the time frame by tapping on that. So this is how you do it. This is how you make a 10-minute TikTok video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video, guys. Till next time. Thank you.